Emmanuel Ernest Odo, and I'm here to just talk about my project and what I've built so far. So I built an AI-powered DeFi monitor bot, and what it does is it tracks currencies and tokens from the crypto market, analyzes it, then sends feedback to Telegram. So you get the alerts from Telegram. So I'll just take you through a walk on what I did. So first of all, the back end where I had my main file, then I had my rigs and my Telegram folders, all those things in the back end folder to be able to generate the alerts, the prices, and the DeFi status from the CoinGecko API that I used. Then I went to Brazil to deploy it. I went to Visual to deploy it, and so this is a Telegram. Um, not sure about the Telegram bot. Telegram bot. You know, so this is how the alert buttons look like. It sends all these feedbacks when the market either shows low or high. So we move to the file. So this is the front end presentation where you have the name of the app, Chrysolite Risk Monitor, and you have the title, the DeFi Risk Boat. And what it simply does, as like I said, is it tracks crypto tokens, then it analyzes it and sends those alerts to the Telegram. But another way of getting it is also through this front end. So first of all, we have the overview. This shows you all the dashboards and cards and the how healthy the market is, risk level, low level, system health is low. And have the alerts part where you get to see the display of all the tokens, and the colors definitely is to show you the range or the level of their destination in the market. Then you move to the trends. The trends now start looking at the flow of the graph with how price is different with time. You have the bar chart here, and you have the line chart here. We also have the recommendations where you get to it's an AI powered, so it gets to recommend for you what to do if the price is low. It gets to recommend what to do if the price is high. It gets to recommend to you what to do if the price is minimum, so that you know exactly what to do in the market. So DeFi is actually risky. But what I built is to be able to reduce that risk. Since we're making decisions based on data, making decisions based on data. So that's what it's about. So this is really what the whole app is about. It's really about an AI DeFi risk monitor designed to track protocol safety, prices, and alerts in real time. Built with cutting edge technology, it provides investors and DeFi risk analysts with comprehensive insight and so on and so forth. So we have a lot of things to explore. I think we have the AI section where you can talk with the AI live and ask your questions on how the market is. So also I want to express my gratitude to the data tribe and the analytic stages for how they've helped in this whole journey. So now we know we have to make decisions based on data and not um, emotions or sentiments. So this was an amazing tribe. Thank you, data analysis. Thank you, the apostle of finance. Thank you for the patience, for the understanding. Thank you for all you helped us do in class to be able to come up with this project. And I see myself building more projects partnering with a lot of organizations and coming to the mark. Thank you. See you next time.